Good morning. Rise and shine. It's gonna be a great day.
I had a lot of things to do today, but you know what I did instead? I took a nap. It was a very good nap.
You're my friend, I love you till the end. You're my little chicken, so I'll say it again.
Bang, 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 bang. I love tick. I love face. I love ins. I love you. Too.
I'm so tired, I'm exhausted, like I need.
If you fail, it will be okay. I will still love you.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
No. No. No.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
I'm sending this to ask you, why don't you reply?
Uh-oh.
If you see this, your friend wants you to know that you are actually kind of awesome.
What are you doing? Are you taking a pic of me because I'm so cute? I may be 99% angel, but that 1% gets me in trouble. Do you think I'm a cutie pie? Oh no, you scrolled. Wait, you're still here. If you said yes, will you hit for buttons? I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Aw, I love you so much.
I love you so much. You're my best friend.
No, you're my boyfriend.
Today my mom told me she no longer loves me and I am up for adoption.
That is not what I said. I said you can't have second dinner.
That's the same thing.
Show me the reason you have no money.